everyone. How are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how we can make a fillet from whole fish, right? So let's start. So guys, it's our cod fish. So why I'm putting this tissue paper? So there is a one reason, because you know guys, fish always sleepy, so it will not move anywhere. So you can see guys, this is our cod fish, right? And whenever you will start to make a fillet of fish from whole fish, so make sure you have to be start from his tail, because it's a very important thing. And you can see guys, this is the cod fish. It's around 15 kg whole fish, right? So it's a 15 kg whole piece, so you can imagine it. So you can see as well as it's going outside of this chopping board, right? So always guys, always follow these things. When you want to make a fillet from codfish, always start from his tail, because tail part with the bone, it's very easy to remove. It's very easy to make a size how you have to remove the fillet from his tail. So when you will start from his tail, so automatically you can you can uh, cut from his spine as well as. So this is a 15 kg cod fish, and you can see guys, it's getting trouble to remove fillet from his spine, right? So it's a very big fish guy, and you can see again and again it's coming from outside of this chopping board, because it's a very big fish. So whenever you will make a fillet, so make sure you have to start from his tail. Then after that, when you will start from tail, so you will reach at this point, right? So it will be not it will be not a trouble to make a fillet. So this is the way all the chef, all the butcher people, they always follow this thing. I'm not a butcher, but you know, you should be keep knowledge. If you are a chef, so you should be keep knowledge in your brain how to make a fillet from whole fish. So you can see guys, my one fillet has been done. So now I have to make another fillet. So another also I already cut, so I just have to remove from his spine to fillet. So another also will be done. It's a very hard process to make a fillet guys. If you have a big fish, it's really very challenging for you to make a fillet from this huge fish. And you can see, still I am in a trouble to make this fish fillet. And again and again I have to move. I'm moving this fish, right, to make the fillet, and it's very hard. You can imagine 15 kg fish. It's not very less gram. It's a very heavy fish. So because of that, it always make a trouble to keep fillet from this whole fish. So this my second fillet almost has been done. So I just keep his bone aside, and you can see guys, my first fillet, and another also have aside. So I'm just cutting his stomach, because stomach there is a small bones. So because of that, I just remove his stomach side small bones. And it's a difficult to make a fillet from whole big fish. And another fillet also you can see over here. So again I have to remove from his stomach side, because here also have small bones. So it's important to remove, because guys, when you make a portion, so it can be create a problem, because some guests, they don't want in his food any kind of bone, so they can make a drama. So because of that guys, you have to be remove everything, and it's done.